Yeah. What is the body match? Describe the body match.
So in one line, what you can tell is your body and your products match. That is body match. Amazing. So what we are trying to do is like how Airbnb connected homes. I saw that when I was studying in NIF, we couldn't buy swap clothes between our friends. So I connected all the wardrobes of our classmates, and
Okay.
then that is how it all started.
Okay. Why did you choose fashion technology?
Because even from a young age, I always draw, I stitch clothes, and it was like the thing that I say is find what feels like meditation to you but feels like work to others. So you keep doing, you keep meditating and doing your work, but it feels like work to others. So fashion was like meditation to me, so I kept going on it.
How much do you observe people and look how fashionable they are?
Fashion has like many perspectives. Some can be like they want to be stylish, some don't want to be stylish. So you shouldn't force somebody to go beyond their nature. So if someone wants to change themselves, they will come. So you cannot force that change.
Okay. Some tips for the basic fashion
Basic
sense.
fashion
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah. Any two tips for the?
Yeah. So one tip is how to have a long lasting perfume. So if you want to have a long lasting perfume, you should first know your body smell. So just rub your hands for 5 seconds and then find your body smell. If you smell like flowers, floral perfumes. If you smell pungent or egg smell, you should go for citrus perfumes.
Okay.
So one more tip is for having a long lasting perfume, you should know this five plus points. So one is your wrist and the other one is here and the next one is near your neck, behind your neck. And then after that you should either go at your hair, but when you're going at your hair, spray it on your comb and then you do it. So some people also love that. You can try that.
Great. What is the most craziest thing you have ever done?
Craziest thing. So yeah, when I was studying in my school, I taught a new language to my friends. So teachers cannot understand what we are talking. So I'll tell whatever I said in the P language now. Wapadavayam apayam tapakiping, VP duping. So tipi chapas kapas kapan apan tapas apan wapad we are separating.
Okay. That's cool.
I said what I am talking. So teachers can't understand what we are talking. So that is
Okay. What is the best thing which you have done till now?
best thing. I think if you want to become the best, you should first start from the worst. So I would always say somebody to start it, and when you keep doing it repeatedly, that is how you become the best.
Yeah. If not body match, what you would be doing?
I don't think so because I think body mass is like the oxygen that I breathe,
Okay.
so I cannot live without it.
What
I'll be
make
dead.
Yeah. What makes you happy?
Fashion, anything related to fashion. So I like drawing. I like doing creative stuff. I like helping people. I like seeing the impact that I create. That's what makes me happy.
So that's the short interview with Dikshana. Thank you.